Hello everyone, B Nix. Welcome to my studio. So today I got a little treat for you guys. If you don't know how to do this, then you would definitely appreciate what I'm about to show you right now. So I got the Model 16, Tascam Model 16, so that I could record into it. Like I wanted to have like some sort of DAW setup or, whatever portable, whatever that I wanted to record into, and I wanted to use the MPC, my MPC Live to do so. So one of the things that I needed to figure out was how to get the Model 16 to trigger the MPC when you hit play and you press play and stop. The reason why I wanted to do that is because the Model 16 has 16 tracks that you could use. If I didn't do it that way, then I would have to bounce the music onto one of the tracks, taking away one of the tracks for, performance. So I didn't want to do that. So guess what? I figured it out and I want to share it with you. By the way, this is not a tutorial. I don't do tutorials. I just share information. So here I go sharing some information with you because I couldn't find anyone that had done this on the internet. So I just want to share this with you. So in the MPC, one of the things that you need to do is you need to make sure your audio interface is set up right. So you connect the Model 16 to one of the USB ports in the back of the MPC, and we're going to use what they call MIDI over USB to make this work. But when you do that, you got to go into your preferences. You got to go to where it says audio interface. Make sure this says internal, and make sure that the 32-bit input box is checked. Okay, that's important. Those configurations, it would allow the MPC and the Model 16 to work. So on the MPC, you want to go to preferences. Let's do that. Go here to preferences. You want to make sure you're in MIDI sync in the preferences. You want to go down to these two sections where it says receive, and make sure that says MIDI time code, and make sure that the receive is MMC is checked, and then send, make sure that says MIDI clock, and MIDI send, the send MMC is checked. Now, if you notice up here, you can see the Model 16 is there, and basically just make sure those are all enabled. So like whatever you see on mine, the Model 16 is enabled, just make sure those are enabled on yours too. That says track, okay? And then that's it, work. So the first thing we need to do with the Model 16 is we need to go into the menu. We need to go down to System. You got to go to MIDI time code and make sure this is set to MTC Master, okay? You want to turn it on, MTC Master, all right? Now, once you complete that, you should be able to play whatever, you should be able to trigger your MPC when you hit the play button.